fun quick video today. We're heading up to our favorite shop, the Unplugged Performance, and we're getting the new Cybrhex rims, the bigger rims, and we're going big this time. We've loved our 20-inch rims. Actually, let me show you really quick. So we've had the Cybrhex rims for a while now, and I really actually like the gunmetal finish. But as you guys know, this truck is going to SEMA. It's going to be in the booth for Unplugged Performance and Flexi Shield. And so we're going to go with a bigger set of rims, the biggest set of rims that we can go. And I think it's going to be a good match to this blue Cybertruck that we've got right now. Let's head on to Unplugged Performance. It's always fun rolling up to Unplugged Performance because they've always got some cool stuff. A Cybertruck. Ooh, look at that red Cybertruck, or maybe it's like purple. And then we've got the blue Model 3, which this matches it completely. We're going with these crazy rims, and I really think the bronze is going to look really nicely with the blue. Almost, if you know what that combination is, put it down in the comments, because there is another brand out there that mixes this type of blue and bronze all the time. Today we're going with the 24-inch, the biggest rims we've ever gone with, Cybrhex wheels. And not just your normal Cybrhex wheels, it's going to be 24-inch bronze Cybrhex wheels that is really going to go well with the Cybertruck, because our Cybertruck is blue, these wheels are going to be bronze, and I think it's going to pop with these crazy beefy tires. So excited to see what it looks like. While we wait for the wheels to get on these crazy setup wheels, you probably already got a sneak peek already. Unplugged is going crazy with Cybertrucks. I think I counted like 5 or 10 Cybertrucks here while I'm here. But let's just take a look and see what they're working on, because these builds, these parts are definitely pretty crazy. So just alone on this back lot, we've got like 4 Cybertrucks here. One with a crazy rally type of style wrap. We've got this other slate gray looking one. Very like subtle actually, almost looks stock like a silver one. Kind of that gray PPF over there. This slate gray, actually kind of classy actually. It seems to be like a PPF style wrap. And we've got the beadlock rims that I feel like a lot of people love the beadlock rims, but I kind of like the Cybrhex ones a little bit better. And then we've got this super fancy, classy looking black gloss Tesla Cybertruck. And you might notice something within this one that's a little bit different from every other Cybertruck out there. This seems to be a Cyber Beast, but take a good look at the interior of it. You'll see it's a different color. Let's get closer and see a better look. But before we do that, we've got the matte carbon fender fiber flares from Unplugged as well. And they're really nice, and it really adds that nice wide body look to the Tesla Cybertruck. Missed mine, and I can't wait to get mine back. And you might not see it from here, but 2 of these Tesla Cybertruck have 2 hidden mods that are definitely different than any other Cybertrucks I've seen out there. The first one is, take a look at this interior. This is a super nice interior, almost like a peanut butter saddle brown type of interior, which goes really nicely with this black exterior on this Tesla Cybertruck. And the other thing that's massively different on this crazy wrap Cybertruck is, take a look closely. You'll see that this bumper is the Unplugged Performance rear bumper, and you can really see a lot of the different differences. Take a look at this one right here. This is a stock bumper. You can see how much lower that departure angle is, and it's so low that I've actually scratched mine a ton being how low it is, but this one makes it a ton better. And on top of that, it's full, I want to say it's steel, but hard steel, whatever it is, which is perfect for off-roading or anything you want to do, and being really rugged with the Tesla Cybertruck rear bumper. So this is the old one, and this is the new one right here.
Lock down. Into there.
And one last one hidden in the corner. I don't even know if I was supposed to find this one or not, but another Unplugged truck. This one seems to be like a sand or gold type of color. Beadlock rims. We've got the side skirts on the side right here, and it also has the rear bumper, that replacement for your Tesla Cybertruck. All in all, there's what, like 5 or 6 Cybertrucks? And actually there's one more actually right at the front. The last Tesla Cybertruck, Assassin Red. This was the color I was actually considering before we went with the Lapis Lazuli from Flexi Shield. This color is also from Flexi Shield, and I really like it because it's got like this classy burgundy type of look. It's got gold, red, and black tones. I think this would be a color like long term if I wanted to kind of be incognito. This would be great, but I gotta say it looks pretty nice in person, but definitely not as loud as the blue Cybertruck that we've got right now. But taking a look at this, I would say thumbs up for Flexi Shield and this color, and of course Unplugged for doing the install. Can't leave without seeing at least one Model 3 Performance, a brand new Model 3 Performance. So here it is, just got it back. this just really completes the look of it. If you take a look at it, we've got the La Piste Lazuli. I always mess that up, but we got the bronze wheels here in the biggest set, the biggest rim set I've ever seen ever. Like 24-inch rims with the crazy tires, Nitto. I mean, I don't even know what kind of tires these are, but you can see 315s by 45 by 24s. You can see this is insane. And just look at the fitment here. Of course, the Cybrhex wheels need no introduction, but look how crazy it is on the front and on the rear, just like that. I think bronze really completes the look here with the blue and bronze. Almost, I don't want to say it, but if you're a fan of cars, this is like a combination that's more so like Subaru WRX or Subaru STI, but still really completes the look. And this is like one of one. I don't think you're ever going to see a Cybertruck that looks just like this with the rim combination and the blue. And if you want to see this in person, definitely check it out at SEMA, because this truck is going to SEMA Las Vegas, which is happening in a couple weeks on November 4th. Shout out to the team at Unplugged. Thank you to everybody at Unplugged Performance, and let me know what you think about it down below in the comments.